OBS Studio is open source and free software. It is a sophisticated, feature-rich program, ideal for streaming and for screen capture.
What? What's happening? Oh my goodness! Somebody turn the power off! Quickly, quickly! Oh, what? Oh no! OBS is broken!
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We have fixed a small problem with OBS Studio and will now give guidance on the settings for it. The first settings are the ones for video. If you look behind me, you will see the guidelines. What was that? Oh, sorry, I'll move out of the way. The bitrate is important and relates to whether recording only or streaming, which needs a higher bitrate. You are also affected by your internet speed. Bitrate is set by clicking File, then Settings, then Output. This next sheet of information gives more detail. For instance, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, set the video encoder to NVENC H264, otherwise use just H264 for other cards. The audio bitrate should be set for high quality unless your CPU is older and slower. You will find some important settings in File, Settings, Advanced. This next sheet shows advanced settings for streaming. The next sheet shows output settings. Output settings don't need to be as high as recording settings, however it is best to keep them the same. Well, I hope you found some use for these settings, and obviously you can pause the video and write any down you need. Thank you and live your day well.